Hello, my name is Junho. I'm going to tell you about Around the World in 18 Days. Fogg lives in England. It is 1872. Fogg is reading a newspaper with his friend Stuart. There is a gentleman thief. Fogg says two can travel around the world in 18 days. They make a bet. Fogg starts traveling with his servant Passepartout. A detective thinks Fogg is the thief. He follows them. In India, they save Mrs. Aouda. They travel together to Hong Kong. Passepartout gets separated from everyone. Passepartout he works in the circus. In America, Fogg finds him. They travel to America. Fix arrests Fogg. Fix was wrong, so Fogg is free. Fogg thinks he lost the bet. Mrs. Aouda asks to marry Fogg. Passepartout tells Fogg isn't late. Fogg and Mrs. Aouda get married. Thank you for listening. Bye.